Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, loosen the 8 captive screws on the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the battery and remove the 3 screws. Lift the battery out of the system. Disconnect the keyboard cables. Flip the computer over and unlatch the keyboard. Remove the 7 screws and pry the keyboard away from the system. Identify the memory module and remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and remove the module from the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it to the system and install the screw to secure it. Place the keyboard back on the system and secure it with the 7 screws. Relatch the keyboard to the system. Flip the computer over and reconnect the keyboard cables. Insert the battery into the system and secure it with the 3 screws. Reconnect the battery cable. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.